Hello, I am Lika. I am here to present some of my favorite photos. In this photo you can see me. I am 10 years old. I have got black hair. I am tall. In this photo I am with my little cousin. My family. They are my parents and my sister. My father has got short black hair. He is tall and strong. My mother has got short hair, and she has got green eyes. My sister has got wavy hair, and in this photo she has got a ponytail. My uncle and cousin. In this photo, you can see my uncle Joseba, my aunt Anna, and my cousin Irache. They live in Orduña. They are very nice and friendly. My grandfather. Here you can see my grandfather Timoteo. He lives in Orozco. He is 84 years old. He has got white hair. He is tall and strong. He loves going hiking. He is hardworking too. My bed. And here I am with my dog. It is called Biscuit. It is very nervous and runs very fast. It is naughty. It has got 3 eyes, 3 bright colors, white, black and brown. It is 2 years old. My friends, in the last photo you can see my football team. My team is called Achural. We play in Orozco. They are very nice and we win a lot of football matches. This is why I thank for your attention and
I hope
you
you liked it.
You like it.
Thank you.